how how to automatically progress slides in PowerPoint. So welcome guys to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. And now I'm gonna show you exactly what you have to do. So first of all, we have to go to first, it's very important to go to transitions, and here in transitions make sure you go to advanced slide, and here is selected on mouse click. Make sure you check after, and here for the second one, if you click on the first slide, we have the same problem. So what we have to do is to select, to hold control, select the first slide, the second slide, and the third slide, and then here just click on after, so we don't have to repeat the same step. And now if we click and we wait and we wait and we wait, it doesn't work. Well, because we have to go to slideshow and use and check this button. And now let's try again. And now it works, but it's kind of weird the way it plays. So let's select all these sliders again, go to transition, and here also you can apply to all transitions the transition that you added to one slide. And now we have to also add the seconds. So I'm gonna add there 3 seconds, and now let's play. And as you can see now, if I play the first slide, it plays this. We can also change here, so let's uncheck we only want no on mouse click. And now for all of this, for all the slides, let's actually enter here 5, and let's try again. 1 2 3 4 5, and it plays without any problems. So thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials.